So when you're using a pipette bulb attached to a glass pipette, you'll need to first secure it on the end. Wiggle it in place gently. If you're not comfortable with that, ask me and I will certainly help you. At the top of the bulb, you're going to see some valves. The top one is labeled A, the middle one is labeled S, and the one on the side arm is labeled E. A is for aspirate, S is for suck, E is for empty. So to prime the pipette bulb, you're going to very carefully squeeze the A, aspirate, squeeze the bulb at the same time. You will hear it exhale. And when you let go, you should see that the side of the pipette bulb is caved in. It's primed, it's ready to go. You're going to place your pipette into the water that you want to draw up. Squeeze the S button until your pipette is filled. How do you know when your pipette is filled? If you look at the top of your pipette, you're going to see a ground glass marking. For this one, it's a little tough to see, but there's a ground glass mark right here where I'm pointing at with my index finger. So I'm going to draw the water up to that point using the S button on my pipette. When it is full to that line, and if you overshoot it, it's okay. You're just going to squeeze the E and empty out some of the water. And then you lift it from your larger beaker and put it into your weighing dish. In this case, your 50 milliliter beaker, and you squeeze the E button for empty. And you do so until all the water has left the pipette. When all the water is gone, you may still have a little bit of a drop at the end of the pipette. Don't worry, don't try to get every last little bit. So right now I got most of it, but you're going to see that there's a little bit of water still in the end of the pipette. All right, in here, that's okay. It's calibrated to account for that, so don't worry. And there you have how to use a pipette.